Welcome to the Bizprint tutorial series. In this series, we will explain the available features of this platform and how to work with it. In this video, we will go over the layout and the controls of the print template page. Note that this tutorial does not explain how to create nor edit a template, but rather how to print it. The print template is open when a design template needs to be printed with its static and dynamic data. Depending on whether there exist certain types of elements in the template, when we load the print template page, we might face a questionnaire. This questionnaire determines some pre-print configurations. For example, the Avery Label element has a skip labels count question that allows us to skip labels on its very first page. If we see such a questionnaire, it's best that we fill out its entries and click on the Done button to proceed with the printing process. The print template panel consists of the AppBar, similar to the edit template page, and a sidebar for showcasing the physical pages, or rather the printed pages of this template. And beside the sidebar, we can see the actual preview or content of the template that is going to be printed with its dynamic and static data incorporated into it. In the AppBar of this panel, on the left side, we will see the selected page size and its dimensions. In the center, we can see the name of the template, and on the right side, either a loading indicator that appears when the page generation is in process, or a print icon followed by a checklist icon. The print icon will print the preview of the printed pages, as you can see here, and the checklist icon will show a checklist dialog again, or rather the questionnaire for the cases where we would like to make some changes for preprint configuration. On the left side of the panel, we can see the outline sidebar. This sidebar shows the physical pages of this panel and allows us to manage them. We can perform a series of actions on these pages. For convenience, we can click on these page titles and the respective page will be scrolled into the panel, as you can see. We can also view the actions we can perform on each physical page by right-clicking on it. When we right-click on each page title in the sidebar, we can see that we can add empty pages before or after. We can move that page, or we can remove or delete that page. Note that performing such actions will have no effect on the template itself, and our changes will not be saved. When we click on the Add Empty Pages prior or after a specific page option, a dialog will appear that enables us to enter the number of pages followed by a drop zone for background image. For example, if I would like to add an empty page with this background image, like so, and I can click on the submit, and I can see a black page appearing with this background image, with this image assigned to this blank page. If we click on the move around option of a physical page, a dialog will appear that lets us to input where we would want to move this page to. For example, I wanted to move it to page 3. And we can see that it is moved here. We can also move multiple pages all at once. To do that, we need to click on its appropriate icon at the top left side of the outline sidebar. When this icon is activated, we can see its color changes. We can now drag and drop multi-pages all at once and reorder them. For example, I'm going to grab these 2 pages, dragging it and dropping it at the place that I would like to, and the order will change. And finally, we would be able to delete a page by right-clicking it and clicking on the remove, and that page will be removed. And with that, that is all we could do with regards to the print template page. Thank you for watching.